Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is related to your next RT 1.5 examinations, and in that class we take and solve some important questions based on them. Means in previous class we discussed about the chapter linear equation word problems question based on the chapter linear equations in two variables. Now dear students, in today's class we take and discuss some important questions related to your very important chapter areas related to circles. Okay, so let's see. You know that are the important formula we already discussed about in previous class. All the important formula like area of sector, area of segment, area of circle, in this way. Now in today's class we only discuss some important questions related to that topic. Let's see a question. And the question is ABCD is a flower bed. ABCD is a flower bed. Okay. ABCD is a flower bed. If OA is equal to OA is equal to 21 meter and OC is equal to OC is equal to 14 meter and OC is equal to what? 14 meter. Find the area of the bed. Find the area of the bed. Find the area of the bed and take the value of 522 upon 7, and the figure is given as, look, for that question figure is given, dear students. Yes, look, this is the figure and here ABCD. Look, ABCD. This is the flower bed. That portion. We find the area of that portion. Okay, because of that portion ABCD is the flower bed, na. So this is ABCD is a flower bed, and if for that portion we find the area of that. Okay, and OA is given as 21 meter. This is point O. Dear sir, you know that OA is equal to OB, which is equal to 21 meter. It is given that in our question, and also OC is equal to 14. Dear sir, OC is equal to OD. This is equal to what? 14 meter. This is what? This is 14 meter. Now look, dear student, you know that this is the quadrant of the circle, and you know that the area of quadrant is 1 upon 4 pi r square. 1 upon 4 pi r square. So now here we find the area of the bed ABCD. So what I do for that question, dear student, this is very important, very easy question. Let's see its solution. So from figure it is clear that the area of flower bed ABCD is equal to what? Area of quadrant OABOA minus, from the figure, area of flower bed ABCD is equal to area of quadrant OABOA minus area of quadrant OCDOC. Okay, so this is the concept of that question. So you know that we already discussed about that the area of quadrant is equal to area of 1 upon 4 pi r square. 1 upon 4 pi r square. This is the formula for what? Area of quadrant. For that figure, for bigger quadrant, Dear students, in that question for bigger quadrant O, B, A, O, B, for bigger quadrant we take what I take for bigger quadrant O, B, A, O, we take the radius is equal to 21 meter, and for smaller quadrant OC, we take area radius is 14 meter. Now look, this is area of quadrant OAB. OA is equal to what? 1/4. This is pi. External radius we take is r. This is take as capital R, and this is take as small r. Okay, so 1/4 pi r square minus 1/4 pi small r square. Now from there we take 1/4 pi as common, so we get capital R square minus small r square. Capital R square minus small r square. Now look, we put all the values and simplify them. So look, this is 1/4, this is 22/7 into r square. Capital R is what? 21 square minus small r is what? 14 square. Now we simplify them. To look, 2 to the 4, 11. So 11/7 to the 14 into a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b in one bracket into a minus b in another bracket. We can write it this way. Now 11/14 into this is what? 5, 35. This is what? 7. This is what? 7 now? Yes. So look, 7 to the, okay, 14. So we get 11/2 into 35. So this is what? 5.5. This is 5.5. Now we write as 5.5 into 35. Now look, we multiplying them. So 35 192.5. So we get what? And we get as 192.5 meter square. This is the required solution of the given question. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on topic area related to shaded area. So this is one of the most important questions. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Okay. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Now four equal circles, we take a very important question. Okay, let's see. And the question is four equal circle. Okay, 4 equal circles are described about the four corners of a square, so that of a square so that each touches two of the others. Each touches two of the other. Each touches two of the other, as shown in the given figure. As shown in figure. As shown in the figure. Means figure is given in that for that question. Okay. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region if each side of the if each side of the square measuring each side of the square measuring 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Okay. So dear friend, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So let's see what is the process, dear friend, to solve that type of question. Okay, now let's see. Here, first of all, this is the square and 4 circles. Okay, this is the circle, and let us take here A, B, C, D is what the centers of each of the circle, and this is the shaded portion. This is the shaded portion. Now look, according to figure, it is clear that each side of the square means, look, from figure, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, each equal to what? 14 centimeter. That is the radius of each circle. The radius of each circle R is equal to 14.2. Because of this is the this is half of this is the diameter. This is the half of the AD is the AD. This is the distance between two circles is equal to sum of the radii of so here side is 14, so half of the side of the square is called its radius. Okay, it is given as radius. So this is 7. So this is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter is the radius of the circle. 7 centimeter is what? Is the radius of the circle. Now what I do, look. First of all, addition we find. What we find? Look, we find the area of shaded region is equal to area of square ABCD minus 4 into area of each quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Okay. So for finding the area of that shaded region, what I do? If area of square ABCD minus area of 4 quadrants. So in this way we get the area of this shaded region. Okay, now look. Thus area of shaded region is equal to what? Area of square ABCD minus 4 into area of each quadrant, because the 4 quadrants are there, na? So area of each quadrant. This is the very important. Okay, now look, area of square, you know that side square, and 4 into minus 4 into area of each quadrant. The area of each quadrant is what? 1 upon 4, that is pi r square. Now we put the formula. Now here 4 to cancel to each other. Side of the square is 14, na? 14 square minus pi is 22 upon 7 into r square. 7 into 7. Now 7 what? Cancel to each other, so we get 14 square is 196 minus 7. This is this. So we get 6 minus 4, that is 2. 9 minus 4, that is 4. This is 42 centimeter square. 42 centimeter square. In this way, the area of shaded region is given by 42 centimeter. So this is a very conceptual or very important question. So dear students, please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now we take and solve some other important question. Now look, find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. Look, find the area of the shaded region in the given figure, and your figure is this is a circle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle inscribed in the circle. This is P, Q, R. This is center of the circle O. Okay. This is 25 centimeter. PQ is 24 centimeter, and PR is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter, and the shaded region is what? This portion. This is. We find that region, area of shaded region. So look, for finding the area of shaded region, look at this. So for that, this is, look, from there, this is QER is what? This is semicircle. If we find the area of semicircle and minus what? Area of, now this is given, only two sides is given there, and okay, now look, from figure it is clear that Given at PR is equal to 7 centimeter and PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. Now look at solution. Now look at solution from figure. In triangle PQR, angle P is right angle. That is QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. So QR with PR is what? This is 7 square plus this is 24 square, no? So 49 plus 576. This is 576. So we get 625. So in this way, the value of QR is under root 625. That is 25 centimeter. So dear student, 25 centimeter is the diameter for that semicircle. That is area of semicircle. That is area of semicircle is what? 25 upon 2 centimeter. Now area of shaded region is equal to thus area of shaded region was area of semicircle minus area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR minus area of triangle PQR. According to that, we find the area of shaded region. Look, so here's an area of semicircle is what? Pi r square 1/2 of pi r square. Area of triangle PQ 1/2 base into height means PR into PQ. Okay, in this way. Now we put all the values. 1/2, this is 22 upon 7, this is 25 upon, this is 25 upon 2 whole square, na? Minus 1 upon 2 into this is base is 7, PQ is what? 24. Now we simplify this, we get our result. Now this will look, this is 11 upon 7, this is 625 by 4, okay, minus, so this is 12, so minus 7 into 12, so we get okay, 11 this is 28 minus 84. Now after dividing them, we subtract 84. So in this way we get the result as 4523. This is 4523 divided by 28 centimeter square. 28 centimeter square. So this is the result for that question. Okay. So dear student, in this way, in today's class we take and discuss some important questions based on the topic area of shaded region, which is one of the most important topic of your syllabus. Okay, so please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question which we discuss in that class and also in previous classes, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices and complete your NCERT exercise, which is very important of your examination. Okay. Now dear students, in next class we take and discuss some other important questions based on the next topic of your syllabus. Okay. So first you revise and do more and more practices of your syllabus. Now, thanks to all.